Weather APIs are one of the most popular API types. There are thousands of them available on the internet and you can consume them to build a weather application. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the ways how you can consume weather APIs in JavaScript. So without further ado, let's jump into that. To consume weather APIs in JavaScript, we need to find them first. For this, you can head over to Rapid API Hub to find thousands of weather APIs present. For this video, I'm using this Forica weather API. That's a free API. Make sure you have already signed up or logged into your Rapid API account. I've already logged in, as you can see in the top right corner. Now, let's begin with calling this Forica weather API in JavaScript using fetch. I've already subscribed to this API, but if you haven't, you can subscribe to this API. Now go ahead and create an empty directory and open it in your preferred code editor. I am using this Visual Studio Code editor and I'm going to create an index.html file. Inside this index.html file, I'm going to write the basic HTML boilerplate code. Here it is. I have given the title called Forica Weather API in JavaScript. You can change the title. Let's save this file by pressing Command S and let's go back to our API page of Forica Weather API. You will see different endpoints listed on the left sidebar right here. For this demonstration, we will use the current endpoint. Let's click that and we will make a GET request to it. On the right hand side, you will see a code snippet to call the API right here. You can choose different languages from this drop down menu and the code snippet will be updated accordingly. Let's go with JavaScript and fetch. Here is the code for JavaScript fetch. Let's click this copy code button. It will copy the code snippet to your clipboard. The next step is to go back to your VS Code editor and inside this script tag right here, go ahead and paste the code you copied earlier here in the script tag. Let's format the document and save the file. Here we have created an options object and provided it to the fetch method along with the API endpoint. Then we handle the API response and error via promise chaining. To see the response, let's run this HTML file and open the browser console to see the API response logged there. I'm going to see this. And here it is, the response, and it's working perfectly normal. In this video, we have successfully called the Forica Weather API in JavaScript using fetch. Go ahead and try it yourself and make sure that you are signed up to your Rapid API Hub account.